In this session, let us check for the record format level keywords. Record format is a named structure used for input-output operations. It has two main keywords, format and text. Format keyword is to share the field specifications for a previously defined record format. The name of the record format being defined must be the name of the previously defined record format. If we specify the format keyword, we cannot specify the field specifications for this record format. We can specify the key specifications. If you like this content, please subscribe and click on like. You could imagine how long it would take me to create this content. I just wanted to share my knowledge to make it useful to others. Based on your likes only, YouTube will share the content to others. If you already subscribed, click on the subscribed button and click on bell icon so that you can get notification when I post new videos. If you want to contact me personally, click on my picture or the photo to see all the content in my channel. Playlist shows you all the related content and you can able to play it one after the other. Click on About tab and under Details you can see my email address. I can share the materials and code which I am showing in the videos. Also, please don't forget to comment your feedback. Let us see the file details. Cust is having the record format name csrec and having some different fields, and I have created another file with the name cust2 and it also has the same record format, same fields, and both are physical files. And let us check the data. Cust2 has no data and cust has some data. And I created another logical file which is called cust5 and p file is the cust which is having data, and I'm using the format keyword for cust2 file. So when I compile this one, it should pick up the data from cust physical file. If one file deleted or changed the DDS, the record format remains in existence as long as the other file remains. For example, csrec in cust file uses the format keyword to share the specifications of csrec in cust2. If cust2 is deleted and then recreated with different DDS, csrec still exists in cust file. So this is possible because of the format keyword. In real time, different files with the same format or slightly changed format need to be used in different applications. We may need to update the file, but we do not want to lose the data or abrupt the application usage. In this case, we need to use the format keywords. But you can see these kind of practices in some of the organizations, but may not be all. And text is the record or the field level keyword. In record level, it is used to supply a text description of the record format, and it is used for documentation purpose only. So finally, please like, share and subscribe. Let us meet in the next video.